What's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today we're gonna look at this Vivo mount for our Epson VS240. And today basically this is a universal projector mount. We're gonna show you and unbox this right now, what's in the box, and we're gonna show you how to install it as well. So enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end to show you how to install this. Here we go. Now that's everything in the box, we're gonna go ahead and install this now and show you how to do it. Here we go. First things first is to mount the base of the universal mount for your projector, making sure that you have a proper stud, just like I'm doing here. This is the proper stud. It's drilled straight to the wood. Make sure as well to use the proper lag bolts that came within the box. Once it's all done, it should look like this. Once you've mounted the base for your projector, now you can go ahead and put the arm, the swiveling arm for the base of the mounting universal projector. Please refer to the instructions of the pieces that is needed to be done or need to be put together for this, but this is what I'm doing right now, is showing you what kind of washers and how to lock it with the swiveling arm. Once it's all done, it should look like this. The next part is to identify the locations where you're gonna mount your projector. So looking at the back of the projector, you'll find this. Mounting the Epson VS250 is a little bit complicated because the mounting brackets are in the middle and also two on the sides, so it's not completely offset to each other. It's only 3 spots, so we're gonna have to work with this universal bracket so that we can use this. Refer to the instructions manual for the proper screws that are used for this part of the projector, but basically don't forget the washer that comes with it as well. Once it's all done, it should look like this. You can tighten it as well using the provided Allen key in the box. Once you're all done, the last thing we need is to hook this on to the base of the universal projector mount that we just installed. Once it's all done, don't forget to reroute your wires that is needed for your projector, the HDMI and the power adapter. And that's it, you're all done. I honestly think that this universal projector mount is quite well done. It's very versatile and you can use it to a lot of projectors out there, and you can extend it as well on how low you want your projector mounted. It's very versatile. You can swivel around, get the perfect angle for your projector. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial unboxing and installation of this Vivo universal projector. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.